Alright guys, we are back today with the Maverick yet again. Are you guys getting tired of seeing this thing yet, or what? So, I figured another cool video would be to make a payload video. We're going to put 1,500 pounds, maybe more, in the back of the truck today. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. That's another video I have yet to see is 1,500 pounds in the bed. Does it squat, as far as payload goes? So, yeah, I want to see what the payload looks like in the back and how it handles it and everything else like that. So this is going to be a Payload pay gravel test. I think it's going to be a good test because pea gravel is not exactly heavy. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that, and stay tuned. All right, so right here the bags, as you can see, are 46 pounds a piece, and we're going to get 33 bags. It's going to put us right over 1,500 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and load this thing up with about 33 bags, and here we go. So we got about 18 bags on this one, so I kind of grossly underestimated the cart size, but we'll go ahead and be back with the next load. But we're gonna go ahead and load these ones first, and then we'll be back for the remainder. All right, so there's about 18 bags in the back. We're about halfway there. You see the truck actually is squatting pretty good, but still not too bad. We kind of got the weight distributed pretty evenly, so there it is. Be back with the other half. All right, there is about 1,500 pounds, maybe 1,500 pounds, but there it is. Good bit of squat. The front end's quite a bit lifted there, but honestly I think it's just maybe possibly from the FX4 suspension. But doesn't look all that crazy. So there it is. I kind of have it over the axle there, so. All right, so right before that last clip ended there, I actually got interrupted by this guy over here that was, well, looking at the truck. He didn't know what it was. He had a bunch of questions about it. So, like I said, this is probably the only one I've seen on the road since I bought it last week. So, I really don't know how many more I'm going to see. Just, I heard the chip shortage is going to get a whole lot worse. But anyways, as I was saying, we have 1,500 pounds back there. We're just taking off, and I feel the weight back there, but, 1,500 pounds, it's a lot of weight for something like this. I mean, I think the F-150 is 1,600 pounds, so I mean, that's a lot of weight. So far it's driving good, so I'll keep you updated. All right, as you can see there, finally got it all unloaded, and she's not factory fresh anymore, so she's well used. Probably doing more work than half the F-150s in my neighborhood. You get the point. There's something barking over there, but yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and that's gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna get this all cleaned out, and as usual, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to y'all later.